This is Izmir, a city by the Aegean Sea. A place where history whispers through every stone. Yet modern life flows with energy and rhythm. Where the morning sun shines on the blue waves, and the nights are alive with music and light. Izmir carries the weight of thousands of years. The clock tower stands proudly as the eternal symbol of the city in the narrow, lively streets of Kemeraltı. You feel the footsteps of the past walking beside today's life. From ancient Greek temples to Ottoman mosques, this city has always been a meeting point of civilizations. But Izmir is not only about history.
Bırak. Aferin sana.
Modern life beats strongly here. Cafes buzzing with energy in Alsancak. Crowded shopping centers. Streets full of colors and motion. People cycling along the seaside, while the Aegean breeze keeps them company. Izmir is a city where you work and truly live. And beyond the noise, Izmir offers a deep sense of peace. Evenings in Karşıyaka, when the sun slowly disappears behind the sea, feel like time has stopped for a while. Green parks surrounding mountains. And the endless embrace of the coastline. Izmir is both vibrant and calm, a city of balance and beauty. Izmir, a city to visit, to live, to create memories. A place where every walk brings a new story to tell. This is Izmir, and this is only the beginning of discovering a city with no end.
سر چیزی میپاشه بعد